Oh, right over here. Gotcha, gotcha. Yo, someone just knocked on my window outside. I'm not even joking. I'm scared right now. The stream. Go back and knock on the door. Okay. Turn down for what? I swear to God. I swear to God. Why do I keep hearing knocking in my headset? Do you hear that too? It's so annoying. It's tripping me the hell out.